Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ramangi hakerdob yeng jongpi.
Keterangan Pulih Putih jangka Sorkar Jilla haka Sautrik Unok Pra Arjar Pausau kalau khot ikran biang haka wat kabaar yang Nonghikai School SSA menyethiriatai haka bede bagi mat jingdawai kibla sateng yang baga Sorkar kampala ban pen urlong haduk gini gisngi wat hadi bagi Nonghikai School SSA ke penlong ke jingki haki di kendiat benai bela lainnya. Presiden jangka Meghalaya SSA School Association Uba Aristotle C. Rembai Hagajia keran berkelar patai kubor hari melawai ke jingalang bela penyat do Commissioner and Secretary Jabatan Pulih Putih Vijay Kumar Mantri bela pentip bagi jingmi arkin hun ke Nonghikai School Sorkar bagi Nonghikai School SSE ke dengan jing Pyntreikam Bakla hi daga Sorkar Meghalaya na do gisnam ke mensua. Hagaju kapor layat ho bagi Ministry of Education ke Sorkar India ru kelapha ya ke shithi ke Sorkar Meghalaya ban penbet ya ke jing Bakla kena maka management kendan bet tangkawai. Shushu layat horu bahaga jingalang nyethir yatai sani halo ki pratli ki mat jindawa bagi Nonghikai School SSA ke IT syaga Sorkar.
Kabanongkong ila pentip syangi ka association kata caka Meghalaya SSA School Association bat ka Food Teachers Association kila pentip ba kamdon are cadets katkum ka guidelines jong ka government of India. Henry baro nado ka SSA bat ka government ma kidai ban hapo kawe ka management bat ka kata kadai ban pay da ka government henday hastin Meghalaya jongi la Pyntreikam Bakla ya kani bat lami kumni are cadets ka bamut SSA cadets bat government cadets kata kadai ka point number 1 ka ba ula pentip singi point number 2 ulong ba nakaliang jong ka state government kala yo pdiang shibun ki chithi na ka Ministry of Education jong ka Sorkar India hakaba la direct yaki ba kin penbe ya kani ka jing Bakla. They based on this letter but kumju ya ka ba nakaliang jongi ila dawa menta ban wanra ya ka policy na menta ka job security jong ki Nonghikai SSA hapo Meghalaya kumbala haki we ki state nakaliang jong ki menta ki la shim ya ka sinjam kumno ban wanra ya ka neka policy kata ka point number 2 point number 3 nakaliang jong commissioner secretary lo pentip yangi na kito ki pratli ki mat ki bangila de ban summit haka first meeting ka bala ngila shong haka khat pratlik jong 9 November jong mentau snem na ki pratli daka education department have take into consideration 5 points. The further discussion regarding these 5 points will be on the next meeting, which is supposed to be held on the before Christmas, within this month of December. Hoi kita ki sangtali ki points ki banakaliang jong ka government kala consider but include ha ka policy ka point number 1 kalong ban Pyntreikam ya ka pay structure number ta ki Nonghikai SSA but kumjuro ban enhance ya ka tulop jong ki Nonghikai SSA as per existing policy or as per existing norms as far as concerned regarding the salary and regarding the payment of salary for government teachers kabamut kaba ila ong ba ka government can consider ya ketika kabangila ajimun nakaliang jong ka association ka revision of pay rules 2018 kata kare point number 1 ka point number 2 ka ba ila pentip yangi kalong ba nakaliang jong ka education department kan wanra kalani kan thub ha ka bai de ka jing ajing munjungi na kabantaban wanra ya ka special package mo lani ka special package na kabanta ka na kabanta kito Nonghikai ki bala jan karta ban shong thait kata ka point number 2 ka point number 3 ka ba nakaliang jong ki kila pentip yangi kalong ba Meghalaya School Education Service Rule kata ka point number 3 ka point number 4 kalong ba yakitu ki Nonghikai SSA ki bala join prior to 23rd August 2010 ka ba ngingila dawa ba ban palai naki ya ka MTET kanero kala long under consideration but ka point number 5 kalong ba bakin na lor kani ka MTET bakin consider sa ka CTET nakbanta ki Nonghikai SSA. Tigini kilong kita ki santali ki points ki ba nakaliang jong ka education department kali itu yang iba ka nakaliang jogi kin consider but further discussion on this will be there in the next meeting. Mapinong banseng la mano ka happe ya ka guidelines yo ka SSA. pinging stick by nakaliang jong ka association as per guidelines but manual work jong ka SSA. Ka SSA ka ong kumno ba yakini ki Nonghikai SSA dai bantung haki government school. Whereas hang ni state jongi kumba pi ong mentan la shu ailat kumtu bantung daki haki mission school, haki private school nang ta haki school chinong bat kumta teter. Te kata kadai manubale ya kata kadai ka state jongi. Nak ta kada ka wanno hani ka contradiction kai. Ya ka norms jong ka government of India but kala ya pair pat ka ba implementation hak state jongi. Mak bai de bat kane kumba kalong menta since it is under discussion te nakaliang jongi ngin patla ban yithu ipi kai. Te I think after the third meeting maybe the government official will give a press briefing. Hoi kai ka bang stick menta nakaliang jongi hi kong bingkwa be it comes under one management and that is the government.
As of now, the Kongsan is going to be rationalized. But when collecting data for every teachers and schools, that will be done from the side of the government. Of course, we may help to some extent, but this is one of the biggest part that the education department should do it as soon as possible. This is what we need from all the kinds of teachers, SSA, and for us for teachers also. And to make it clear, one another thing is I'm here on behalf of the 4 teachers that regularization is not much a matter for teachers. That is, make it clear from Sir Director today also that for teachers, they are already under education department. And this is just to make clear to all the 4 teachers also. And then these are the same points that we are discussing together today. And there are still lots of things that maybe we can say that we cannot expose as of now. We're still under discussion. So only this, I think. Thank you.